Hello and welcome back to another video tutorial by the Free College on Wikipedia. Um, Today we're going to cover redirects. That's when you have a page that kind of belongs to another page, but you're using a different name. I'll give you an example. I'm going to type USA into the search bar and hit enter. Now you'll notice that it's not actually the USA page, it's the United States page. So we were redirected from the USA page to the United States. So if you click over here onto USA, you'll see that it's a redirect page, which is said over here. Now, if you have a page that belongs to another page, in the same way that USA and the United States go together, then you can use a redirect. And that code is found here. You click Edit, and you'll see that up here is redirect in all caps, space, and then in brackets you put the page that it redirects to. So there you have it. Another example is in Israel. They have a very popular ambulance that's on a motorcycle, and it's called the ambucycle. But the ambucycle, after doing some research, actually is a motorcycle ambulance, and it belongs to that page because there are other nations that had them before ambucycle did. So that's just an example. I discovered ambucycle didn't have a page. I went to the ambucycle page, and as you can see, I used the same exact code that's being used on the USA page. So there you have it. That's how you make a page redirect. Thank you.